look, and this is inspired by Swati Verma, and this is a makeup look I'm doing after so long. So if you like this look and if you want to see how I did it, keep watching. First I used my NYX First Base Primer, sprayed it all over my face. Next is COLORBAR Primer to prime my face and get it ready for the makeup. This is the red lipstick that I used, and I try to hide my dark circles through it. So yeah, it's a little scary, but it really helps. I'm using MAC Prep and Prime to prime my lips. It is very important before you do your makeup. Now I'm using MAC Cream Eyeshadow. I am using it to make my base look glowy. Now after correcting, I also need to hide it through my KRYOLAN Derma Color Concealer using Too Faced eyeshadow base to prepare my eyes for my eye makeup. Now doing my brows with Maybelline Brow Ready. I found this very useful, and it is two-sided, so using the powder side to complete the eyebrow. Now let's start the eye makeup, starting with the crease and trying to do a brown color on the base. Now using this orangish red color for the transition shade to begin with. Now using my cream eyeshadow again to hold the glitter that I'm going to use. This is the Sigma glitter. It's called the Unicorn glitter, and you can see how pigmented this is. I love it. Now when you see the whole look, you will find that this holds a special place in the eye makeup. I'm using my L'Oreal gel liner to complete it, and of course it is not completed without eyelashes. I'm using normal eyelashes from drugstore. You can use whatever you like, and this is how my eyes look. Now starting the base, I am using Bio Bloom face oil to first of all make it foundation ready, using the Naked Urban Decay foundation and putting it all over my face. I'm using bronzer to bronze and of course make my face look a little slimmer. I'm using the Bobbi Brown bronzer. Now I'm using Tarte Cosmetics blush to make me look all cheeky. And now my favorite part, using the MAC Cream Eyeshadow again to hold my highlighter, because this makes your highlighter look even stronger. Now see the glow. Isn't it amazing? I mean, I think this is amazing and I loved it, and I'm going to do it again. And I'm using it on all the high points of my face. And please comment below if you like this look, because I would love that. Now it's time to finish the look with lipstick. I'm using the Bella VOSTE Naked Lipstick, which is my current favorite right now. This is the whole look, my friends. And this is it. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to like the video. Thank you.